Ka one-time settlement OTS scheme jong ka Power Distribution Corporation ka bala pli ha ka por ka sarkar MDA balaya lam da ka NPP kamshim da la satya ban Kynjoh sha ka Thong. Ya ka OTS scheme la pli ban penla ya ki pendon kam boarding ban la ban siu ka pisa ka babon ka basa sha ka tanat boarding ka pisa ka basa ka baki day ban siu. Barok ka pisa basa ka balala ban pendem bar ka tanat kan syong biang na ka benta ka ne ka kam. Kadau jong kene ka jing Khlem ka day baki ba pendon kam boarding ki Khlem pat yo siu ong Myntri ka tanat boarding u eti mondal. Haba la kane ka day baka OTS scheme ka Khlem la ban Kynjoh sha ka Thong na ka liang Myntri ula Kubur ba ka day ka jing shisha ba bon na ki customer ne ki ba pendon kam boarding kim pat la ban siu hinrei na ki ba bon pat ki la siu.
Reason for delay, people are not paying, that's all. Consumers are not paying.
No fine.
Forget about these domestic consumers, even commercial and industrial.
You are not
We have
imposing
dues.
fine then.
Fine is automatic there.
So that
Why
means
fine is not there?
what is the pending?
On bills also will have the interest part also.
So
Then
the one-time settlement failed to achieve its purpose.
How you say that?
Because you said many have not cleared.
But maximum has cleared also.
Okay. So that's what, how much is pending?
Yeah, that details I don't have. I'll give you.
the government
I
is
need notice for that.
government is soft on them. It appears.
Don't put that one, please.
It appears government is soft on them and
No, we are not soft. You will receive so many complaints that government is hard, power cut is there. We used to do so many call I get even from friends from media also. They call, please tell him not to cut today. Tomorrow we'll pay the bills and all these things. And it is very difficult for me to tell the lineman, whom I don't know also, whom he also don't know. He is just carrying out an official duty. And if minister tells him don't do it, tomorrow he will be sitting in office. Again minister will call. So only a humble request, pay the bill regularly, so there will be no burden. Actually tendency is there that I will pay next time, then next time, then next time. And when this compound interest is charged on that, suddenly you will see that your bill is very high. And that all the problems cropped in. Consumers are not paying regularly. Maximum consumers are paying regularly, but those who are not paying, I will request for you that bill should be paid. Because what is that? If MECL or in the as a matter of fact, MEPDCL cannot realize the money which they are investing for supplying powers, ultimately the entire system will be having problem, and that is exactly what is happening.